Sometimes in the mix, audio materials are so wide, so drums feels like fading away and is not really effective. We are not talking about bass, we are talking about presence and the audio field occupation. In this example, I have used chorus plugin from BlueCat, it's free by the way, that is going to help our drums track have better presentation. So let's check in the whole song without this plugin and with this plugin. As you can hear, drums is pulled out from the depths of the song. But when you are using chorus plugins or modulation type plugins, pay attention to delay, depths and rate values because you can completely destroy your drums. In this plugin, these values are sufficient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.